Okay, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Professor David J. De Los Reyes. What I will be discussing tonight will be the connection of the Peltier cooling kit. It's a mini air conditioner. This is the Peltier cooling kit. The coldness will be coming out here, and that's the front fan. The heat dissipated on the Peltier, okay, will be coming out here, and this is also a small electric fan. It will draw out the heat generated inside, so we could produce coldness in front. The fan for the front and the back, I merged the plus and minus terminals. So I will just only be needing one power supply for both the front and the back. So what I did is that I merged the plus terminals. This is a two line. This is the ground of the front and back electric fan. So this is two wire. I merged it into one. And the positive terminal, I also merged the positive terminals of the front, and the back. And this is the terminal. So I will only be needing one power supply to activate the front electric fan and the back electric fan. So this is the power supply. That will be the power supply of the two electric fans. I set it to 12 volts. And the other power supply that we will be needing is actually the power supply of the Peltier, the heating element, this one. The wiring for the all this Peltier is this one here. This is the black and the red. That's for the Peltier. So I will be injecting a 12 volts here, and for the electric fans, I will also be injecting a 12 volts. So this is the negative terminal of the Peltier, this one, and this is the positive terminal. And the power supply of the Peltier will be this one here. So the one at the back is actually the power supply of the two electric fans. And the power supply of the Peltier will be this one. This is now plugged in. This is the plug for the power supply of the electric fan. So I will now be standing this Peltier cooling kit, a mini, what you call this, air conditioner. So what is only needed now is actually to what you call this, switch on the power supply of the Peltier and the power supply of the two electric fans. Okay. This is for the Peltier, plus and minus. For the electric fans, this is the minus and the plus. Okay. Two lines, two ground lines, two red lines, I merged into one, so they only needed one power supply, and that's it, the one at the back. So if we try to operate this Peltier mini air conditioner, we'll just switch on. I will now switch on. This is the plug of this power supply here, and this one here is the plug of the one at the back, and this is the outlet. So I will switch on this one now, and as you can see it, okay, the Peltier mini, what you call this, air conditioner is now working. Okay, it's now working. Okay. I will be setting the power supply of the two electric fans to 12 volts. That's 12 volts. So the power supply of the front and the one at the back is 12 volts. And that's the one at the back. And the power supply of the Peltier, the heating element, the one inside, is actually this one. It's also 12 volts. So the power supply of the Peltier is 12 volts. The power supply of the two electric fans is 12 volts. I plug it in. So it's now working. Okay, so Right now, we are experiencing a cold air coming from this one. It's not so cold, but it's better than the one uh, coming from an ordinary electric fan. Of course, this is an electric fan, but the coldness inside, it will bring out here in front, right? And I got here a thermometer. Okay, it's 26.2 degrees centigrade. It's 26.2. That's a little bit cooler now than the ordinary ambient temperature of the surrounding. At least when you are on your what you call this table, you put this on the side. So actually, you are having a mini air conditioner. Okay, that's the Peltier air conditioner. Okay, it's working. So this one is the power supply of the Peltier element. The one at the back is the power supply of the front electric fan and the second electric fan at the back. The electric fan at the back is the one discharging the heat coming out from inside. And the electric fan in front will be the one who will discharge the cold air coming from the Peltier. It's working. Okay? So that's how a mini what you call this air conditioner works using a Peltier element. What is only needed is the power supply of the two electric fans and the power supply of the Peltier. You needed another power supply for it. So they will be acting independently. Okay? It's working. Okay? One more time, I will try to get the temperature. It's 26. A while ago, it's around 26.5. So it's 26 now. So it's getting colder. Okay? You could feel the coldness. It's not so cold, but it's an air-conditioned air. Okay? So this is for now. This is Professor David J. De Los Reyes. What I have discussed is the connection of a Peltier air conditioning unit. Okay? Using my two assembled power supplies, I made the connections. Okay, I merged the connection of the front and back. I merged that one, so I will just only be needing one power supply, the one at the back, and the power supply of the heating element, the Peltier element. This is the power supply of the Peltier element. I made it also myself, so actually it's a very stable, what you call this, regulated power supply. This is a regulated power supply. This is it's hot. This is 12 volts. Okay, this is 12 volts. Good evening from Los Angeles. This is the way on how to connect a Peltier air conditioner. Good evening from Los Angeles.